What's up, guys? We're back here at the second dove spot, and we're gonna put up a highline wire today for the doves to sit on. They like sitting in high places when they come down to feed. I've just seen a couple, 2 or 3 doves out here going back and forth to tree, so we'll get this line up so they got somewhere to sit on, and hopefully they start using it and we get these sunflowers mowed down and get ready for September 1st. So here we go. All right, guys, what is up? It's Dibs here. We got our dove line put up. Things you're gonna need to put up your dove line: you're gonna need 3/16 cable, which I got from Amazon, and then you're gonna need 3/16 cable clamps from Amazon. 3/16 cable and 3/16 cable clamps from Amazon you can get. That's where I got them from. You're gonna need some T-post, and you're gonna need a T-post driver like this right here. You just put it over the T-post and the other end's heavy, and you just basically pound it in the ground. And then you're gonna need a 2-inch pipe. That's about, probably 12 foot tall, I think, 12-inch pipe, something like that. So all I had to do was I drilled some holes for the cable, if you can see, or in the pipe, if you can see that, for the cable to go through. So I did that and pulled the cable through, got it to a pretty tight length, and then just basically zip tied them to the T-post. I'll show you guys, you can get zip ties too from Amazon, but just zip tie it to the post, and then took some extra cable wire here and wrapped around it just in case if these break, because then it can still hold it up there. But yeah, there we go. We got our dove wire up. Hopefully they start coming over here and start landing, so we'll just have to see. Here, have your post for, so I already got that post up over there. It's about 50 foot. So now I just gotta get my, now I just have to get, shoot, crap. Pull on that zip tie a little too hard. Oops. There we go, we got it up. Now to tighten this up, I might put a ratchet strap on the end of that. Yeah. That should be long enough. I'd say they'd like to sit on that right there. That should be enough long wire, I would think. Let's pull it tight. So I'd say our post needs to be about right here. A little bit farther. Right here. That's it right there, yeah. We'll put it right there. All right, we got that one in. Now all we gotta do is take our other post, get the wire around it, and we'll get it set up in there. We should have a nice little place for the doves to stand on.